Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and time format in Outlook. This is a really useful customization if you prefer a specific way of viewing when your emails arrived, making it easier to scan through your inbox at a glance. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that all your settings will apply correctly across your mailbox. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the View tab located at the top part of your screen and click on it. This tab gives you access to various layout and display options that control how your inbox appears. After the View menu opens, look for View Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. Click on it to proceed. A View Settings window will appear, presenting you with several customization options that let you control how your email list is displayed. From the options presented, click on Format Columns. This is where you can adjust how individual columns in your inbox are shown, including the date and time format. Under the Format Columns section, look at the left side panel and click on Received. This represents the column that shows when each email arrived in your inbox. Now, under the Format dropdown, you'll see Best Fit set as the default option. Click on this dropdown and you'll see all the available date and time formats. Take a moment to review the different options, as Outlook offers various formats ranging from simple dates to detailed timestamps. Simply select the format you wish to use based on your preference. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to apply and retain the changes. Outlook will immediately update your inbox to reflect the new date and time format you've chosen. You should now see all your received emails displaying dates and times in your preferred style. And that's it. You've successfully customized how Outlook displays dates and times in your inbox, making it easier to manage and organize your emails according to your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.